Here is this free trencher, CPCS Blue Card, Renewal mock test. It contains 15 questions similar to what you'd get on the official NOCN Pearson VUE touchscreen test. I will first read the question and then give you a few seconds before I reveal the correct answer. Ready? Let's go. 1. What is the primary function of trenchers? A. Landscaping. B. Forming cuts or trenches. C. Excavating large pits. D. Tree removal. Correct answer, B. Forming cuts or trenches. 2. Why is the area around any working machine considered a hazard? A. Because it is the most comfortable area for the operator. B. Because it usually has clear signage and warnings. C. Because it contains rotating parts that pose risks. D. Because it is often the cleanest part of the site. Correct answer, C. Because it contains rotating parts that pose risks. 3. What is meant by hidden air defects? A. Defects that are easy to spot. B. Defects that are intentionally concealed. C. Defects that are not immediately apparent. D. Defects that are irrelevant to the trencher's operation. Correct answer, C. Defects that are not immediately apparent. 4. What could potentially occur if the trencher operator fails to consider the risk of trench collapse? A. Trench collapse in certain soils. B. Enhanced trencher efficiency. C. Increased operator comfort. D. Improved fuel consumption. Correct answer, A. Trench collapse in certain soils. 5. What must be done before driving on slopes? A. Rely on the operator's judgment. B. Consult bystanders in the vicinity. C. Drive as fast as possible to save time. D. Check and follow manufacturer's criteria. Correct answer, D. Check and follow manufacturer's criteria. 6. What are the dangers of operating or traveling a trencher on or across steep slopes? A. Increased trencher speed. B. Risk of overturn and instability. C. Enhanced operator comfort. D. Improved fuel efficiency. Correct answer, B. Risk of overturn and instability. 7. What could happen if the minimum distance requirements are not met when cutting trenches near slopes or adjacent trenches? A. Enhanced operator comfort. B. Reduced fuel consumption. C. A potential trench or edge collapse. D. Improved landscaping results. Correct answer, C. Potential trench or edge collapse. 8. How can manually cleaning spoil from around the cutting area be hazardous? A. It may result in injuries from contact with rotating parts. B. It minimizes operator workload. C. It improves operator experience. D. It enhances trencher speed. Correct answer, A. It may result in injuries from contact with rotating parts. 9. What issues are associated with using excessively worn teeth on a trencher? A. Improved trencher efficiency. B. Operator job satisfaction. C. Reduced trencher maintenance costs. D. Inefficiency and additional strain on the trencher. Correct answer, D. Inefficiency and additional strain on the trencher. 10. What type of adjustment might need to be made on cutting chain types? A. Engine power enhancement. B. Operator seat positioning. C. Chain tension adjustment. D. Tire pressure calibration. Correct answer, C. Chain tension adjustment. 11. Why is achieving the correct tension for the chain crucial for trencher operation? A. To ensure safe and efficient operation. B. To increase the machine speed. C. To minimize operator training requirements. D. To simplify maintenance tasks. Correct answer, A. To ensure safe and efficient operation. 12. What condition must be met for a ROPS frame or cab to minimize injuries during an overturn? A. The trencher must be operating at full speed. B. The operator must be experienced. C. The seat belt must be worn by the operator. D. The trencher must have a high-quality paint job. Correct answer, C. The seat belt must be worn by the operator. 13. What procedures should be undertaken before excavating in a new area? A. Consult with utility and service providers. B. Operate the trencher at full speed. C. Hire additional operators. D. Increase trencher speed. Correct answer, A. Consult with utility and service providers. 14. How may underground contact with solid objects be noticed by the operator? A. By observing a decrease in trencher speed. B. By hearing unusual noises from the trencher. C. By experiencing increased operator comfort. D. By noticing improved fuel efficiency. Correct answer, B. By hearing unusual noises from the trencher. 15. What are the dangers when the cutting chain has caught underground cabling? A. Enhanced operator comfort. B. Improved trencher performance. C. Reduced trencher maintenance costs. D. Risk of potential injuries to those in the immediate area. Correct answer, D. Risk of potential injuries to those in the immediate area. So, this was the last question of this free mock test. If you made it this far, I guess you're about to take the dreaded CPCS renewal test and there are no other study materials except the long and boring fact sheet. Some people have failed this multiple times. Like my brother, who is not the brightest tool in the shed. But I still love him. Enough, in fact, to create a whole bunch of multiple choice questions from his category fact sheet. And guess what? He finally passed. That gave me the idea of creating similar mock test questions and answers for each and every category. Very tedious work, but it's worth it if it helps you study and pass the damn test to extend your blue card for 5 more years. If you wish to be fully prepared, then you have the option of purchasing my ebook, which contains the full bank of questions based on the official NOCN fact sheet. Note that these questions are not exactly the same in the official test, but they will be similar and based on the same information from the fact sheet. So instead of learning the exact questions and answers by heart, apply logic to the answers, And use these multiple-choice questions to learn more efficiently for your CPCS Blue Card Renewal touchscreen test.